The ultimate AeroGarden Gourmet Herb Seed Pod Kit Review. Welcome to the world of indoor herb gardening. The AeroGarden Gourmet Herb Seed Pod Kit offers a convenient way to grow fresh, organic herbs right in your home. It's an ideal solution for those living in urban or indoor settings where outdoor garden space is limited. With its hydroponics system, the kit provides a low-maintenance yet highly efficient way to achieve maximum results, allowing you to enjoy homegrown herbs without the hassle of traditional gardening. Benefits of AeroGarden Gourmet Herb Seed Pod Kit. Customizable growth settings, adjust light exposure for optimal herb growth. Effortless maintenance, automated watering system and reminders for easy care. Space-saving design, compact and sleek, fits any indoor environment. Sustainability, reduces the need for store-bought herbs, promoting homegrown freshness. Smart garden technology. Automated monitoring, tracks light, water, and nutrient levels for each plant. Precision control, tailored care for each herb variety for optimal growth. Nutrient delivery, timely and efficient nutrient distribution for healthy plants. User-friendly interface, real-time insights into herb growth and maintenance. LED grow lights. Energy-efficient LED lights simulate natural sunlight. Optimized light spectrum for robust and healthy herb growth. Perfect conditions for photosynthesis and herb development. Eco-friendly and cost-effective lighting system. Automatic watering system. Delivers the right amount of water to each plant. Minimizes manual watering and guesswork. Ensures consistent hydration for optimal herb growth. Reduces water wastage and promotes sustainability. Advanced Seed Pod Kit. Pre-seeded pods for easy planting. Biodegradable sponges for eco-friendly germination. User-friendly design, perfect for beginners and experts alike. Streamlined planting process for efficient herb cultivation. How to use the AeroGarden Gourmet Herb Seed Pod Kit. Setup, assemble the unit, add water and nutrients following the guide. Planting, insert pre-seeded pods and start growing. Maintenance, regularly check water levels, adjust lights, prune as needed. Tips for successful herb growth. Optimizing light and water, adjust light cycles and monitor watering for best results. Trimming and harvesting, proper timing and techniques for maximum yield. Post-harvest care, store and handle harvested herbs to retain freshness. Dealing with common issues. Nutrient deficiencies, regular checks for yellowing leaves, adjust nutrient levels. Pest control, regular inspections and natural repellents for pest management. Environmental stress, monitor temperature, moisture, and airflow for healthy plants. Comparison with traditional herb gardening. Space and convenience, compact indoor garden versus large outdoor garden space. Technology integration, automated care for hands-free gardening. Sustainability, less water, energy, and resource consumption compared to traditional gardening. Growth and yield. Faster growth rates with smart garden technology. Bountiful yields due to controlled, optimal growing conditions. Consistent production of high-quality, flavorful herbs year-round. Sustainability and eco-friendliness. Water conservation, uses hydroponics for efficient water usage. Energy efficiency, LED lights minimize energy consumption. Waste reduction, controlled environment reduces herb spoilage and waste. Eco-friendly design, supports sustainable living and homegrown herbs. Conclusion. The AeroGarden Gourmet Herb Seed Pod Kit makes indoor herb gardening easy with smart technology, effortless maintenance, and sustainability benefits. It lets you grow fresh, organic herbs year-round, perfect for urban dwellers or anyone without outdoor space. This kit offers a simple, eco-friendly way to enjoy homegrown herbs right in your kitchen. Thank you for watching. We hope this review helps you grow fresh, organic herbs at home. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more indoor gardening tips.